at Weldall, and today we are forming a dipper body. It's a 3/4 inch piece that's about 14 feet wide, 286 inches long. It takes approximately 2 days to bend. Basically, we get the part, we lay it out, get all the lines on there, get a guy on each side, we move it along and we bend it, and we check after every hit, make sure we're going to the correct radius. Thankfully, this one's got a lot of room for play because it's so big and it flexes a lot. So you gotta watch for that. It's definitely the biggest part that we do on this brake press.